like usable stats for sword and shit like that. So like high strength and a high con. And I guess for auto class purposes.
You're doing great, sir.
Yeah, I'm a professional stirrer.
Excellent. Definitely what we need for this recipe.
Yeah. That's actually Tracy's.
It's bubbling. It's not smoking.
Yeah.
Turn it back up just a spit.
It's starting to look like baby food or pasta sauce now. We're getting there.
Almost like marshmallows.
Okay. Wow, that's gonna be. Oh yeah, it wants out. It's trying to leave.
Going to do this into the big one.
Yeah.
Safety first, kiddos.
Yeah. Whoa! That's over there though.
Yeah, that was on me.
Okay, you would. Alright. Sounds good. Mine's nothing fancy.
Not quite burned.
Well cooked.
Just a little toasted.
Anywhere it's talking about nerd shit in D&D, is there anything you want to see the campaign like progress to? Anything that you personally want to see?